Certainly. This HTML code creates a login page with two main sections, Sign Up and Login. The Sign Up section includes a form where users can input their username, email, and password. Each input field has a corresponding label for clarity. A Sign Up button allows users to submit their information, and there's a link at the bottom to the Sign In section. For existing users, the Login section also has a form with input fields for username and password, along with a Forgot Password link for password recovery. A Login button lets users submit their login credentials, and a link at the bottom directs new users to the Sign Up section. JavaScript code defines a few variables and event listeners for a simple login page animation. Two event listeners are added when the Sign Up link is clicked. Sign Up link. It adds the class Animate Sign-In to the wrapper element and removes the class Animate Sign-Up. This likely triggers an animation to show the sign-up form. When the Sign In link is clicked, Sign In link. It adds the class Animate Sign-Up to the wrapper element and removes the class Animate Sign-In. This likely triggers an animation to show the sign-in form.